757 is one of my favorite aircrafts out there. So today, I present to you NG Model's rendition in the Continental colors. In terms of the box, livery, and details, I would say pretty much the same as what I had to say about the Continental 737. Thus, I'm going to shamelessly save myself some recording time and promote viewership by redirecting you to that video. It's called Killing Two Birds with One Stone. I would call this model just about perfect, except for a warped right winglet. However, if you don't look at it too closely, it's not much of a problem. I flew on a Continental 757 much like this one once. Who knows? This could be the same aircraft.